The Zenna Home Ergo Tub Freestanding Sanitation Sink helps you to work smarter not harder and creates a space for cleaning, sanitizing, washing, and drying all in one. This complete laundry and cleaning work center include a 14 inches deep heavy-duty sink basin, a non-metallic pull-out faucet, legs, and necessary plumbing and connections. The utility tub and sanitation sink are ideal for use in washing or sanitizing items being brought in from the outside, such as packages from stores, delivered goods, clothing, and more. The laundry sink has a contoured front for easy access, and a 36.75 inches height to reduce bending and straining. A towel bar, work shelf, scrub board, and utility hooks are also included. Easy-to-follow instructions make assembly and installation of this utility tub easy. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Complete sanitizing and laundry work center. Heavy-duty freestanding Ergo tub sanitation sink is ideal for use as a sanitation station, or for cleaning, washing, and drying. Can serve as a station to wash or sanitize items, such as packages from stores, delivered goods, clothing and more, being brought in from the outside. Number 2. Includes faucet for all-in-one convenience. Non-metallic pull-out faucet included, and sink basin is pre-drilled to accept any standard 4 inches center set faucet. Number 3. Ergonomically contoured design and height. Generous 20-gallon capacity tub, 14 inches deep, has a contoured front for easy access and a 36.75 inches height to reduce bending and straining. Number 4. Feature-filled utility tub. Freestanding laundry work center has a chrome towel bar, a utility hook on each leg, and a handy multi-function shelf that stores below the basin, and can be used as a work surface on the basin. Number 5. Everything you need is included. Work center includes necessary plumbing, connections, reversible laundry discharge hose guard, and soap dish attachment that securely holds a washing machine discharge hose, not included, in place. The overall dimensions of this product are 24 inches width by 36.75 inches height by 24 inches depth. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.